Good morning, children. I hope you all have done the homework that was given to you and you were able to do the exercise. Okay. So the next topic that we are going to study is finding the square of a given number. The first method that we are going to see, or the method that we are going to see, is suppose if I have a smaller number 5 square, then I know 5 square is 5 into 5, it is 25. But if I have a number say 39 square, right? So what do we do? You like the method is 39 into 39, multiply and write, but we have another method for it to find the square of such numbers. Is you can write 39 as 30 plus 9 the whole square, and then when we write the whole square, it means we are multiplying the same bracket twice. Then we know how to multiply two brackets, so it will be 30 times first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. Using distributive property, when I multiply, I get 30 into 30, which is 900, plus 30 into 9, 3 9s are 27 and this 0, so 270. 9 3s are 27 and then this 0, and 9 9s are 81. So when we add up, we get 900 plus 540 plus 81, which adds up to 121521. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have 21 square. Yes, what are we going to write this as? 20 plus 1 the whole square. So this will be 20 plus 1 into 20 plus 1. So now we've learned the distributive property again. First term into the second bracket plus, because this is plus the second term into the second bracket. Applying distributive property, 20 into 20 is 400 plus 20 ones are 20, 1 into 20 20, and 1 ones are is 1. So this becomes 441. I hope this is clear, right? The next thing that we are going to do is I hope you all have understood the two examples from the two examples that we did, right? Let's take one more example. Say 42 square. So 42 square can be written as, yes, 42 square will be written as 40 plus 2 the whole square, which gives me again writing the bracket 2 times because it is square. Then again we apply distributive property, opening the brackets. So this becomes 40 first term into second bracket plus second term into second bracket. This gives me 4 4s are 16, 1 and 2 zeros, 4 2s are 8 and then 1 0, 2 4s are 8 with 1 0, and 2 2s are 4. When I add, I get 1600 plus 160 plus 4, which gives me 1764. I hope this is clear to all of you. Let's take, there is a trick for numbers with unit digit 5. 5 square is 25. 15 square, we can remember 225. Now if I look at 25 square, this also we remember 625. 35 square, what we will do, if you remember, if you see the pattern, last digit is 5, so 5 square will give me 25. This is 3 4s are 12. See the same trick. 5, so I have 25. After 2 there is 3, 2 3s are 6, 5, so 25, 1 2s are 2, right? 45 square would be what? Yes, first 25, then 4 5s are 20. Like if I ask you now 105 square, so you will write that as 25. 10 into 11, this is 10, the next number 11, 10 11s are 110. So without even doing the previous method, I can directly write. But this is works only when the last digit ends with 5. When you're going to find out the square of a number whose whose unit digit with end with 5, you can apply this trick. I hope it is clear.